Welcome back, everyone, to Moraine Park and Dog Beach in Highland Park, Illinois. Now, there's a good chance that many of you watching this video right now have no idea what Moraine Park is or what the significance is regarding my channel. Well, I'll tell you. Back in the early, and I mean early days of my channel, one of the first things I wanted to do was find a place to check out Lake Michigan within Lake County, hopefully with a beach. Somewhere that I can get into that was free admission, not too much of a hassle with parking. My first attempt, which was my second video on this channel and my first actual vlog, I went over to Fort Sheridan. Unfortunately, their beach was undergoing some construction. And so, for our next attempt to get over to Lake Michigan, we went a couple more miles down the road over here to Moraine Park, which did have a beach and looked to me like just another ordinary park. Nothing special. So, we came down here and vlogged it. Having no idea what was soon to be in store for me. We would soon, quickly, discover this. Look at this beauty. I would proceed to come back here several times and vlog it during the summer, during the fall. And this became a series on the channel. But taking the Long Grove Bridge, for example, a good series on this channel doesn't come without a little drama. But yeah, I was completely blown away and not at all expecting this ravine. Now, I have visited some very awesome nature places since I've started this channel. But in the very early beginning days, this was absolutely amazing to me and quickly became my favorite park in Lake County. Now I have a few favorites. And one of my favorite parts of this park is this stone bridge, which I can't believe is still actually here. But now, on to the drama. There have been 2 years since I started this channel where I documented historic flooding in the Chicagoland area. 2017 and 2019. Well, in 2019, we got a lot of rain here in Highland Park as well, which completely wiped out the path from basically this bridge that I'm standing on right now to the dog beach, which has closed this pathway. There used to be a big fence up there. I vlogged that as well. I'm going to link all my Moraine Park videos in the description below, so you can check out the series for yourself, but this was completely blocked off since 2019. and they did have plans to rebuild it. Of course, COVID happened, supply chain issues happened. We were really unsure if we were going to see this path, this ravine area, ever again. But finally, everything fell in place, and over the past year or so, they have been rebuilding the path. And boy, does it look different. Much more steady, much more stable, much wider. Yeah, this thing ain't going anywhere anytime soon. And a whole heck of a lot safer. But yeah, they have been working on this, and it's open. And finally, since 2019, I've visited this place I think once, maybe twice, since it's been closed. But we're back, and I can't believe we're gonna walk on this thing. And yeah, that's Lake Michigan right down there. Honestly, I never thought we'd see this day again, and I just love this area. And I've visited some amazing nature parks. It may not have the same sort of wow factor as some of the nature parks I've visited, like in Wisconsin or whatever, but still, this is a lot of history in my channel, just like the Long Grove Bridge. And finally, we're able to come back. And a very pine smell, I guess, here. Yeah, admittedly, this was not very secure before. We got handrails. I mean, yeah, this is updated to the modern century for sure. But yeah, this is nice. I will admit it. Still can't believe we're walking this thing again. Alright, welcome to the Moraine dog-friendly beach. In order to bring your dog, you have to have a permit, but we don't have a dog with us, so whatever. It is really nice today. It's warm, but not super hot. A little bit of a breeze coming off the lake. It is perfect summer day. Nice puffy clouds in the sky. Oh yeah. One of the things I used to do in the early days of the channel was collect rocks, and this is a pretty special occasion, so I'm definitely going to have to grab some. I know I've collected some over the years. Kind of like that one. That one's a little different colored one. Cool, cool. Otherwise, yeah, this is just a nice little beach, and you can bring your dog. Definitely gotta at least touch the water, right? Ooh, there we go. Nice, it feels pretty warm. It was a little bit of a trick, but we did get it. Our stone bridge. Thought they were going to remove this after the renovation, but still here. And there you go. We have made it back to Moraine Park and Dog Beach, Highland Park, Illinois. Pretty cool. It's a nice path. make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.